HP. Oh, DTS is going!
Public warning alarm system for NOAA, all hazards radio station, KEC63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Queens, Midway, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KEC63. We now return to the normal broadcast.
Thursday, cloud, fog patches dissipating in the morning, wind which is 100.
Someone's going IWX. Holy shit! Perfect activation, too!
This is the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During dangerous weather situations, weather radio receivers are activated to warn you of the impending hazard. A test of the system is conducted every Wednesday between 11:15 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be canceled.
What is coming in?
The warning alarm is activated for short-fused weather. Coastal waters of the Great Lakes elsewhere across Ohio.
Oh my god! Mansfield is crazy.
This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm.
Oh, there we go, something. Weekly. Monthly rating. Whoa! I did not expect that. Flopper 2.
Test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour 0040. Je répète, ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour 0040.
Forecast for Windsor Leavington, Essex.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour 0040. Je répète, ceci est un test mensuel obligatoire pour 0040.
Forecast for Windsor.
Wow. Nice week we had here. I decided to swap all my stuff to Canada just so that we could see what would happen. And plus it was a double test week with the monthly. So I wanted to see how it would go. Now I think I've recognized something though. As I've noticed here, everything seemed to went off. Stat was left because it wouldn't, there's no chance. Everything seemed to have went off except both of my version 5 100s. And I have experienced problems with this before. I have yet for it to go off on a Canada test. I feel like something's just up with the way that Canada does their stuff. Maybe it's just doesn't decode correctly on the version 5s because I have, as of what I'm seeing, the reception is perfectly fine. And like you can see everything else was just fine. It's all going off. I'm gonna try to get either like a version 3 or version 4 replaced over there. Maybe I'll put a V2. I don't know. We'll see. Most likely maybe a version 5 Deluxe because the version 5 Deluxe did go off, as you can see here. This piece of shit didn't go off, even though I had good reception. I did see it go off for DTX though. Everything else for Canada seemed to have went off. I'm glad the Pro scanner I got went off. WR10 went off. I'm gonna be doing something that'll involve this WR10 in the future, so stay tuned for that. This piece of shit died. I fucking saw it turned off, and battery on that thing's a piece of shit. And otherwise, I've seen no other issues. This has a f***ing dead decoder right now. I think it's gonna fix it in the summer. But I just use it for, you know, the loud audio that you'll hear before any alert or test. So yeah, that's about it. So with that, I'll see you guys next week. Catch you later.